probably in, I don't know what that is there, B, probably B1. Hey guys, how's she going today? Well, so far, I've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bales. And I'm making these guys real big because they are going to be going to Indian Head to Ryan. So I want to make it worth the trip there. Oh boy, I might almost be making them too big. I might dumb that down a little wee bit here. Anyway, I wanted to check the moisture. Oh yeah, real good. Nice and dry. Oh yeah, we're laughing. I know some of you guys last year told me I should put the probe in from like this. Yeah, that's good enough. So, I think what I'm going to do here is put a little more twine and make them just a shade smaller. So, I don't know how much of this will be ready to bale because some of it was cut quite a bit before the other side because we had some shitty weather in between. So, but I'll have most of a day here, I think, with what will be ready and what won't be ready. So I guess talk to you guys again here in a minute when we get going. Oh shit, now I'll just show you what I gotta do here for this. So we want our bales just a little smaller than that. I'm gonna wiggle this up just a little ways. And our twine, turn that jam nut a little. Let me turn that in a little. Tighten that up. And we should be good, so. I guess we'll get back at her. It's kind of hot. It's nice outside today, thankfully, but I had an AC line blow on me. Holy Christ, is that a big bale. I'm like 6'3.5" or whatever, and that's probably 2 inches taller than me yet, so it's a little big, so we'll make it just a scotch smaller and should be good to go. So I guess, said I lost an AC line on here. I ordered one, should be here tomorrow, but to get someone with an AC vac to suck the juice out, or suck the air out before we put more Freon into it, but it's just the short line that goes to the condenser at least. But it's $105 through the aftermarket company, or $250 from Deere. Anyway, like I said, at least it's a fairly nice day out, so it isn't too bad in here at least. So I guess we'll talk to you guys here in a little bit. Size indicator moving while you're looking at it. It's hot as balls in here with no air conditioning. Oh my god, I'm dying. and I can only have the window open while I go one direction. So for 20 minutes while I go back the other way, I gotta really sweat it out in here. My sensor for twine 2 buggered up. You guys have been watching this channel for a while, you know twine 2 likes to do that on this machine, so it gets dusty and then it can't sense the magnet, so I'll just have to get the compressor and blow the dust off. I'm putting a fair bit of twine on here just because they gotta go so far. I want them to stay real nice and good shape when they get to Ryan's that way, but heavy, so I kind of ease into it until we get a bit of a bale going, or otherwise it wants to plug the pickup. But anyway, I got a ways to go yet, so I'll talk to you in a bit. Well, that's why it's not turning. Oh yeah, well, that's why the twine doesn't think it's running. Anyway, I just have the tractor idling here, but I'm tying the bale. I wanted to come and check on that. Oh boy, that's an ugly bale. Anyway, see where we're at. Dry as all hell. Oh fuck, crazy dry. Anyway, I don't know, I think I'm at 100 bales here now so far. But Antoine was cutting second cut stuff, and he blew a drive chain. So I gotta run over with the truck so you can get some wrenches and change that, but there's what we've done so far. Now there's a bunch over there and that way, but anywho, I'm just shut this off and we will go and find Antoine, I guess. So we'll talk to you here in a few. Well, I fucking forgot to make a video of Antoine and his broken chain because I forgot my phone in the tractor here. But we've got about, I don't know, 29 more passes to go, so I don't think I'm gonna get, I don't know, I'll be close to getting done tonight. I gotta go home and load my trucks up, or load trucks up with my barley here, because they finally decided they're gonna take my malt barley that's been contracted since March. So that's kind of nice. I got 2,000 bushels of that to haul tomorrow, so I'm gonna go home and get that loaded here anyway. But nice out. I'd like to get this hay baled so we're done with the first cut that way, and then we can just focus on hauling and finally be done with this, because it's getting way too drug out with all these rains and shit we've had this year. So rain's good for the crops, not so much for the haymaking. So, but I guess that's probably where I'm gonna leave you guys. I want to get this video put together and uploaded for you. There's another bale. Yeah, thinks there's no twine in that one there, but whatever. Oh, we're at, that says 99, so this will be number 100, but I made 6, I think, before. I forgot to reset the counter after the little bit of custom I'd done this morning. I had a little wee bit to finish up for him, and I forgot to reset the counter here, but whatever. Minor details. So I guess, thank you much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and comment, subscribe for more, and we'll talk to all you guys in the next one.